All right, as you might remember, this is the OG scooter of the channel. This is the China scooter. This is the 150cc China Amazon motor that we swapped into this scooter years and years ago, the OG. And it's back on the channel today because we need to take it out of retirement. It's just been sitting here rotting away. Today, we are gonna revive this 150cc scooter. We are also going to be putting some nitrous in this scooter today, and we might blow it up. We have a nitrous kit, it's empty. So we went and got ourselves some Galaxy gas.
So it's supposed to take your desserts to the next level, but using it the wrong way is leaving people high. Teens are getting a hold of Galaxy gas.
This is Lil T, and this little baby bottle that he's sucking on is called Galaxy Gas. What it really is nitrous oxide, flavored nitrous oxide to be exact.
This is what the kids are doing nowadays. This is how you burn your brain away or blow up your engines. And we're gonna see on if we can blow up this motor or if it just makes it all around better. And we might need to run this on every scooter we have. At this point, this scooter has seen way better days. It has been rotting away in the backyard for about 2 years now. We still have, since we built this motor, we have no cooling shrouds on this engine. It is an air-cooled engine, and basically all the cooling air is just blowing out of here. And somehow, after riding this thing for years, it has not blown up yet. I'm certain this motor might be indestructible until we put some Galaxy gas into it. This thing is absolutely filthy right now. It being the China scooter, if it's not a blown piston, we'll probably get this thing able to fire right up. So put some fresh gas in it, soak it in probably some carb cleaner, and let's see if we can't get this thing rolling again. And then we gotta figure out how we're gonna schedulely mount this in there with a shutoff valve that we can just pour some nitrous right into this engine. We flew out Scooter Swap Shop just to specifically help with the nitrous project. Free gas, courtesy of Paul. We're gonna make this thing
free
run.
Smoke.
We just does this have Galaxy gas premix in it? Skylar got the front brake working. We put some fluid in the front brake because we only need the front brake. Oddly enough, you know, usually we only need the rear for wheelies, but this time we're doing mad burnouts, boys. So need the front brake, lock up the front end, put some fuel in there. You think we're gonna have to clean the carb? We're gonna send it with the carb how it is.
I think we can probably just send it.
With some quickness, we got some gas in there now. We got a fresh petcock in there. We threw a fresh filter on there. It was falling apart. I think that's all a GY6 needs. It did do the GY6 thing. Ooh. Oh my God. Almost like, I think it was probably been 2 years at least this thing's been sitting.
Since the last time I revived it.
Dude. Yeah, last time this, no, actually, yeah, you revived it and then we rode it after, you're right. Oh my God, dude. You gotta love the 150s sometimes.
Oh, don't touch your rear brake.
Yeah, there's no rear brake.
Only a front brake at the moment.
Wow.
It smells like straight varnish.
Yeah. Carb is clogged up, brother. All right, we just Amazon Prime same hour delivery this 150 GY6 carb MOPBOYZ edition special. Yeah, that was pretty fast.
I can't believe it.
This is nice not having to work on the bike and film myself. I feel like I'm just like a different level of YouTube right now. You are basically the MOPBOYZ channel right now. Did you hit your head on your bar? That hurt. How you feeling about that weld? This one specifically.
It looks great.
All right, new carb is on there. Fresh carb. Don't even gotta clean out the other carb. Let's see if this one just fires up now, boy. She's ready, boy. She's ready. She's ready. Dude, why does that thing sound so nasty? We might have to put a 150 in an actual good bike. This was like one of my funnest wheelie bikes. What we got here is our, what would you call this, a purge valve, I guess? Button. We got our button here. What's your prediction?
So I think it's going to take at least one shot of it before something goes wrong. So 50-50. It's either going to take the first shot and then do more,
or as soon as it goes in there, something bad's gonna happen.
Okay, I have a prediction. It's a guy in the scooter group who daily nitrous shots. He has the little silver cans, and he literally, on his way to work every day, on his way up a hill, he'll shoot nitrous through it. And he did it for months on end, on a GY6, I think it was a 50.
Oh my god.
Dude,
dry shot?
just dry shot nitrous.
Yeah.
Every single day on that thing.
It's gonna last.
I think it's going to last a lot longer than you think.
Oh wait,
Should've got
30
some
bar. Oh my god,
30 times
bar.
30 bar times 14. Whatever that is. A lot.
Yeah, like
So-
18 pounds.
That-
Is
it's
Well,
like
times
bar.
10 is 300, so it's like
it's 380 on.
it's like 500 psi.
Yeah. I don't know. It might be a little sketchy.
We got a MacGyver with an engineer.
Yeah, I was about to say, you missed it. So we put on this new carb and it was just dumping out of the overflow. So I just capped it, and now it doesn't dump out of the overflow. So I'm thinking, even if it does pop off the line when we do it, worst case somebody just sits there and fogs it while they're doing the burnout.
Yeah, definitely burnout is gonna be easy. You're gonna see this tire spinning and smoking, and then we're gonna hit the nitrous. It's gonna light it up.
I hope it'll literally like something's gonna light up. I hope what we see light up is pieces of metal.
Oh my gosh.
We might hit the nitrous. It might just bog out. That's a hypothesis.
Hypotenuse.
But the problem is
Bring
we're
story
missing the
footage.
right attire, bro, to be having these type of theories.
We're missing what?
The right attire.
doesn't actually.
All right.
We have formulated the perfect adapter here, as you can see. So let's
Jesus, it made me flinch.
we're ready.
It's cold.
It goes from high pressure to low pressure, and there's a conservation of energy.
So we got our
Alright.
local scientist here.
All right, this is high pressure.
Like-
When with the conservation of energy, the energy has to go somewhere, so it gets really freaking cold. High pressure is a lot of energy, and it'll keep it hot. And then when it goes to atmospheric pressure, it goes really
I feel like
low.
he should be wearing the lab coat right now. Should we hit a...
Well, we're gonna
We got our NOS bottle mountain here.
mountain. As you can see,
It launches to the moon, bro.
sturdy.
What if the pressure back pushes this thing and shoots out like a rocket?
So just out of curiosity,
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna hit a little test first with a fire up with a little nitrous shot just to hear.
it's loaded up because we left the fuel on.
No. No. No.
Well,
All the epoxy.
that didn't work.
Let me test it into the motor. Was that it?
Bro,
Was that from
hang
you
on.
or this?
I barely gave it any gas. Hang on, I won't give it any gas. Bro, I swear I did not give it any gas.
I actually inhaled it. I tasted it.
A new hippopotamus on what to do.
The inside of the pink thing is basically like a valve stem pusher, if you will. Inside there's a little nipple. So the only way we can get this thing to release the nitrous is using this tip. And this tip is a tapered tip, which we tried to epoxy and hose clamp. And this thing's kicking out what? How much PSI was that?
420.
420 PSI. And to our calculations here, we have 15 PSI line, but that wasn't the problem. It was the connection. New theory is undo this line directly into bottle, twist the bottle, and we're getting nitrous.
It's just gonna be like this.
Yeah.
Hang on, I'll do a demonstration really quick.
Yes. Glasses.
Hey, yo.
Yes.
Science!
We got the pilot, the jockey. All right. Hit it. Oh my God! Oh my God!
It sounds like it's ripping.
You don't feel go here, you pull throttle and
Does?
hit on it.
It works!
Hear it, you can feel it.
Yeah. It's like, I was like, oh.
It kicked on.
I think
That's a
Pow build's gonna need one of these with a solenoid.
dude. That is
Could you
success.
imagine? All right, it is now Sir MOPBOYZ turn to feel the sauce.
Nice.
So we're gonna start putting out these kits. Call it Galaxy sauce.
Oh! It blew off! It blew off! The line blew off! Nitrous in 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh! Nitrous in 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh! Okay, shut off! Oh, it's not shutting off! Oh! It's still on! It's off! I don't know what happened, it has an air leak now.
You blew my scooter away.
Dude!
Oh, that's why.
It's frozen?
No, it popped off the carb.
Okay.
Okay, that's what I was
All right. Let's do it real quick.
It's on.
Okay. Oh, dude, it is so sketchy. Oh, dude. There's no brake, by the way, guys. This is fully to the grip, so that's why it's sketchy. We got one hand, dude. It rips. It makes a big difference. No brakes, no brakes.
That bitch breaks.
I blew that line off again for sure. Yep. Oh, see, look at the inside of the exhaust.
It's smoking now.
Frozen the bottle is.
Dude, I know.
Dude, I know. It got so cold. Did you see? Did you?
Monster gas.
Oh my god.
Dude, frostbite.
Frostbite.
I think it's been determined that it was a great success.
Gnarly.
Sounds good.
G-Life. Oh! Oh! Oh, it's done. We have learned that this is a great success for nitrous. I think next time we need it on a 2-stroke.
That we ain't have no 2-stroke.
Next time, full nitrous kit, tandem scooter.
I'm in.
Tandem nitrous bottles.
I'm in.
Success. Nitrous.
Oh.
Success.
Yo, check it out. Valve stem Delito.
Dude, at the end, the wheel's just literally doing a burnout inside of the tire.
It's not even smoking anymore.
No, it's good to go. Dude, and it started right up. It didn't lose any compression or anything.
Idles.
Idles.
All right, so for one of you lucky followers, you're not gonna get this.
No, they might. Should we give it away? Should we give away the OG?
I think the first person to comment that they love you should get it. I love you.
I realized that we forgot to put the filter on. So this stack of tire that's all over this bike is in the motor right now.
Bro, I cannot believe it ate that.
And it's still running perfectly. And it's GY6 indestructible. This motor has no cooling shrouds, and I've been riding it like that since I built it. It's at like 300 degrees easy right now. All right, boys, that is gonna do it for Galaxy Gas versus 150cc scooter. I just pulled the plug off the scooter to see. I thought this plug was gonna be melted, and it's a little lean, but the plug isn't that bad. This 150cc scooter, this GY6 engine has completely impressed us on how much it's withstood. And like I said, I have ran this engine for 6 years now, and no cooling shrouds on. I've overheated this engine a million times. I've even changed the motor oil in this engine since we built it back in like 2017 or whatever, how long ago it was when we built this originally on the channel. I'm super impressed, and I think that just stands that we need to do more with this scooter now. So with that being said, you saw I have a NITROUS kit. I have a full-on real NITROUS kit, solenoid and everything we need, so it has a proper wet shot. So let me know down in the comments down below what you want to see me put that NITROUS kit on next. I'm thinking the tandem scooter. I think that'd be absolutely insane. But make sure you guys leave a thumbs up if you guys want to see something crazy like that. Subscribe to stay tuned for it, and I will see you guys in the next video.